You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name that confuses a lot of people, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know, so make sure to stay tuned. I believe this is a name of Welsh origin, and if you want to learn more Welsh, make sure to stay tuned. It's based on a Greek word anyhow. I believe the Welsh pronunciation is as Eleri, Eleri. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. The Greek would be quite similar. So in English, the most common pronunciation, as far as I can tell, is Eleri, Eleri, with a stress on the second syllable. Some may pronounce it Eleri, but not many people, or let us know otherwise in the comments if you pronounce it differently, if you know somebody. Generally, if you go with Eleri, it's the safest and most common pronunciation in English, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.